Hi guys, today I'm going to create another glamorous look. After some skin prep, I'm going to apply some full coverage foundation with a brush and then I'm going to blend it evenly. Next, I'm going to apply some liquid contour to enhance the features of the face. Now I'm going to use the Conatural Cosmetics Concealer in the shade number 2 Sand to brighten the under eyes, and I'm also going to use it on the rest of the face features. Now I'm going to blend it with a brush and I'll set it with a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm going to fix it with some setting powder. Now I'm going to apply some brown eyeshadow to make a crease to increase the depth of the eye, and I will blend it evenly. After that, I'll apply some velvety silver eyeshadow on the eyelid with my fingertips, and again I'm going to blend it with a small brush. Next up, I'm going to use some eyeliner and I'm going to apply it and smudge it with a cutting brush and create a blended wing. Now I'm going to shape the eyebrows and apply some powder contour. After that, I'm going to apply some blush and some highlighter. After that, I'm going to apply my favorite lipstick, the Conatural Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dusky Nude and Pink Puff, to create a sort of ombre style. Next, I'm going to apply some brown lip liner to enhance the lip shape, and then I'm going to apply some Conatural Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dusky Nude to create a pouty lip shape. After that, I'm going to apply some Conatural Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pink Puff on the center of the lips, and I'm going to blend it with a brush for an ombre effect. Here's a final look.